Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a ride through the world of Royal Enfield motorcycles. Let's crank up the throttle and see what makes these bikes so iconic. A legacy on two wheels. Show historical footage of Royal Enfield motorcycles. Royal Enfield boasts a rich history, stretching back over 120 years. They're not just building motorcycles, they're building a legacy. These bikes are known for their classic looks and no-nonsense attitude. Key features: modern with the vintage soul. Cut to a close-up of a Royal Enfield motorcycle. Let's talk specifics. Royal Enfield offers a range of models, but they all share some key features. Simple and reliable engines. These thumping single-cylinder engines are legendary for their durability. They might not win any drag races, but they'll get you there dependably. Comfortable upright riding position. These bikes are designed for cruising, not crouching. The upright seating offers excellent comfort for both short bursts and long journeys. Timeless design. Royal Enfield embraces the retro aesthetic. Chrome accents, round headlights, and classic paint jobs make these bikes instantly recognizable. Performance, more than just speed. Show footage of a Royal Enfield being ridden on a scenic coastal road. Don't expect blistering acceleration here. Royal Enfield motorcycles are about enjoying the ride, not chasing lap times. They offer a smooth, predictable power delivery that's perfect for exploring back roads and soaking up the scenery. Unique selling points, beyond the machine. Show footage of a Royal Enfield rider group. Royal Enfield ownership goes beyond just a motorcycle. It's about joining a community. Enfield riders are a passionate bunch who love the camaraderie and shared experience of riding these classic machines. Who is a Royal Enfield for? Show a montage of different riders enjoying Royal Enfields: beginners, experienced riders, people customizing their bikes. Royal Enfield motorcycles cater to a wide range of riders. Whether you're a seasoned biker looking for a second ride with a unique character, or a new rider seeking a manageable and stylish first bike, Enfield has something to offer. They're also a great platform for customization, allowing you to make your bike truly your own. Conclusion: a ride through time. Show a slow pan of a Royal Enfield parked in a scenic location. Royal Enfield motorcycles offer a unique blend of timeless design, dependable performance, and a strong sense of community. They might not be the most high-tech machines on the road, but they offer a pure motorcycling experience that's perfect for creating lasting memories. So, if you're looking for a bike that's more than just transportation, a Royal Enfield might be your perfect match. Leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe for more motorcycle content. Show our responses. Your P app.